Why would you want to do this?
Okay, so this is huge. Yes, so the material feels good. It is classic leather. So we are back again for something for myself. And this time I got it as a gift. Or should I say bribe? But let's see what we got. Okay, so this is huge. So you know how we work in real estate, and one of the clients sent this. Let's see. Oh my god, this is huge. I'm not sure how to get this out first. Okay. Yes, here we go. So this one comes as a surprise. I just got a call in the morning from a delivery guy stating I have a gift, and he didn't even know the address. And then I thought it was a prank, but turned out no, it wasn't. Alright, so this is my first Burberry. When it came, I wasn't sure exactly what it was, but then, yeah. We've got ourselves another bag. This is the third one in this month. Let's see. Okay, so what do you think it is? Okay, this is a classic Burberry. It's a perfect office bag. We can have a small box here, and then it will definitely fit my laptop. Yes, so the material feels good. It is classic leather. Love the color, very authentic Burberry. But the question is, do I like it? Okay, I'm more an LV girl, but then yeah, since it's free, why not? Let's try it and see if we become a Burberry fan.
I don't know, I feel it's like huge. Yeah? Oh, it comes with a button. No. Wow, it does. Oh, did you see this? No? Seriously? No.
And
I don't know how to close this. Okay. Yep, comes with a lock.
you tell me, how does the bag feel and looks? The bag is nice. It fits a lot of stuff. But I just want to move out of the classic logo thing, the brand thing, and want to go more neutral, or I should say silent luxury.